Today, I'm going to show you how to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. This is how you can claim special rewards, exclusive items, or creator boosts directly linked to your Supercell account. Whether it's a limited time promo or a creator event, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Supercell store website. Make sure you're using the real Supercell store and not any third-party site. That's super important to protect your account. Once you're there, log in using your Supercell ID, the same one that's connected to your Clash Royale account. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Clash Royale store page. You'll see a section labeled Redeem a Store Code. Tap on it, then enter or paste your code in the text box. Once you've double checked that it's correct, press Submit. If your code is valid, you'll see a confirmation notification right on the screen letting you know that the reward has been successfully claimed. Then, just open your Clash Royale app, and your reward will be waiting in your account the next time you log in. Simple as that. Now, for some alternative redemption methods, certain promotions may come as QR codes. If that's the case, just scan the code with your phone's camera and the prompt will appear inside Clash Royale. Tap, claim, and your reward will be added instantly. And if you're redeeming creator codes, go directly to the in-game shop, scroll down to the creator boost section, and tap enter code. This helps support your favorite creators while playing. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Clash Royale tips and tricks.